This is there are a lot of munition in this Somalia, this country. We have to make very hard work to collect, to destroy it, and to sensibilize the citizen to know that the IDs is very, very dangerous for the life, for people who live in this country.
You don't read all the words, how you write. You don't understand. No. A word, for example, you write.
It is very important to destroy these things because, if they are like that, these guys, or call them Al-Shabaab, they can pick them, they get explosives in it, then they use them to make a bomb, homemade bombs, where they can use to target our convoys, fair Somalis. So that's why we have to demolish them. We have to demonstrate to make sure that the whole Somalia is free out of these things.
Or everybody?
No, Mark and myself will go.
Okay.
So we give the guys a